Abosio bo chengera ali tuko ase bintu bitotana limanya katuna na mazingira de bono liko nyara gochengero astariki 10 cy'umutinyo komikiro mwaka niko bono omwaziri w'Gisemi Migosi abaka koleta rego cha asensemeria ya Mingori anemono ase skuli ryo bundi ya Siara Technical Training Institute ase tukulia lero asanyara kurotota omurobulyo bwo gusimekemete ase ensemejo omurikito mirudde mumanyi na mange
Kubwatekana no gochika kumurai wense Dr. William Ruto ense ya Kenya gochagosimeka imetichi bilioni 15 goika omwaka w'ekiribu 2053 wanonigo omwaziri w'Gisemi Julius Ogamba ara abatenelikorwa ase sekta y'Gisemi ase skuru yobubundi ya Siala ime ya Rongo county ya Mingori ase basimeka gwetania emete chiribu 3 okwana ase skuru yonigo omwaziri atebire nerebya sekta y'Gisemi gusira umurobelyo yo iliokonya gukanya omuchando bogo chencha kwelire gose climate change.
Mingori County had a target or has a target of growing 4.5 million trees, and so far as you've heard, you managed to do 1.5 million for this year, which is commendable. I think with a bit more effort, you might be able to even surpass that target. There is no harm in surpassing the target that has been given to you. This is especially because this region actually boasts a survival rate of 95% of the seedlings that are planted. In other words, it's not just the planting that is important, but we must make sure that the trees we planted are monitored to ensure that they do not die.
Nigo akwanira igoro ye sekta y'Gisemi asatabire na cheko eneke ya rongianire anene mono ase amangana ya university funding model na boigo ase omorobelyo OCBC.
Funding model was started last year. It was the implementation of it started last year, 2023. So this particular order is not clear what it is stopping. So we've given instructions to our lawyers to go back to court for an interpretation of that order and for a stay of it, because it's not clear what is being stopped. You can't stop that which has already started. So it's not clear to what extent we are required to obey it or what we are supposed to do. So the lawyers have gone back to court for an interpretation, and we hope it will be cleared. We are not going back to the old one because this one is already ongoing. It's already done.
Boigo nigo ainekiabuna nigo emerobelyo emetingu ya bekirwe iyo eracheko enekia oboibi wa matemu amanene mburigo chia kobao.
The security that we put in the exams this year is high-tech, as you've heard, and the training is ongoing, so that we can reduce malpractices. And I said on Friday, and I'll say it again, if you are engaged or you are caught in any exam malpractice, this time the law will take its natural course and you will be seriously penalized.
Bono nigo omwaziri ainekiri emerobelyo eliokweneke abuna amatemu yo mwako yo igana chigwikirana kiwikiranu ase oboibi bonde bwensi botali gochikoba korokana asara chikobaga kwenekianga amatemu ayo nekiranigwe ase abana bonsi wose abaorokigwa bonsi imeyense ya Kenya. Mripoti ya Egetaseni Ndizi TV korwa county ya Mingori eletaliane Mildred Momanyi.